Hello. Now we are gonna talk about how to fix battery not charging in laptop. So this is my elitebook 8470. I already checked it out. Charging cable plugged in about 3 hours, but you see here 7% is same. It was a 7% only, not increasing, not charging. So if you face like this problem, how you can solve? Okay, let's jump into our practical fixing problem. So first of all, we have to turn off computer. Okay, shut down. Shutting down my laptop. I have a summarize to fix this problem. This is the summary to fix battery not charging. This is my summary. Still this PC still not switched off, so you have to confirm that it switched off or not. After switched off, then next task you have to do, unplug charging cable. This is my charging cable. I already unplugged, and right now I want to remove my battery. This is my laptop battery. I want to remove this battery. Okay, I remove this battery. You see, unplugged my charging cable, and I already removed my battery from my laptop. Now right now again connect the AC plug. This is my AC plug. I am just connecting the charging cable. Okay, of your PC. Okay, and go to the device manager from control panel. Or you can write directly device manager, or you can go from control panel. So small, there is a function which is called device manager. So I can't find this device manager. Okay, got it. This is the device manager, and from device manager uninstall all of the software, AC or AC file, uninstall it and click on uninstall. And next one, uninstall all of the things and which is already installed on the battery category. Let's see all of the softwares of battery already uninstalled from my device manager. And right now shut down your PC. And another step, we need to disconnect the AC plug after shutdown successfully. Okay, after shutdown successfully, then disconnect the AC plug, and right now reinsert battery. Okay, done. And reconnect the AC plug. And turn on computer. Now let's see, it's charging right now. If doesn't work for one time, then you have to do it the same steps for 3 times. So already I have done 1 time, so you have to do another 2 times. So after done 3 times successfully, then your battery will be charging. Thanks for watching.